The Algarve isn't just Portugal's best-kept secret, it's Europe's ultimate sun-soaked playground. I found a place that truly takes your breath away. The rugged coastline, charming towns, and vibrant energy instantly captivated me. Whether you want to relax, explore, or eat unforgettable food, the Algarve has it all. Picture golden beaches, dramatic cliffs, and hidden sea caves you can kayak to. Get ready. This is your ultimate Algarve guide. Let's dive in and explore together. First up, the iconic Benadryl Cave, an absolute must-see. This massive sea cave, with its sunlit oculus and hidden golden beach, feels straight out of a fantasy movie. You can't swim here, so book a kayak or paddleboard tour for the full experience. Kayaking lets you land inside and explore on foot. Truly unforgettable. The way the light hits the water and rocks is pure magic. Go early to beat the crowds and soak in the beauty. Trust me, this is one for your bucket list. Praia da Marinha, one of the world's most beautiful beaches. Descend the staircase to golden cliffs, turquoise water, and natural arches. Perfect for families, couples, or anyone seeking a dreamy day by the sea. Walk the clifftop path for postcard views, especially of the heart-shaped M Rock. This is the Algarve at its most stunning. Wander the cobblestone streets of Lagos Old Town for a taste of history and culture. Enclosed by 16th century walls, it's a maze of whitewashed buildings and colourful tiles. Discover historic churches, lively plazas, and incredible local restaurants. Put away the map and get lost. Every corner reveals a new gem. Lagos is perfect for soaking up authentic Algarve charm. Prepare to be amazed by Ponta da Piedade, a headland of sculpted sandstone cliffs and sea arches. The contrast of golden rocks and turquoise water is unforgettable. Walk the clifftop boardwalks for panoramic views, especially at sunrise or sunset. Then descend the stairs and take a boat tour through the grottos for a different perspective. Local guides will share the stories behind each rock formation. This spot is a must for nature lovers and photographers. Ponta da Piedade is nature's masterpiece. Arifana Beach on the wild west coast is a surfer's paradise. Sheltered by dramatic cliffs, it's perfect for both beginners and seasoned surfers. Take a lesson at a local surf school or watch the pros ride the waves. The laid-back vibe and stunning scenery make it worth the trip, even if you don't surf. Enjoy a seafood lunch with a view after your session. Arifana is a true Algarve gem. Tavira, in the eastern Algarve, offers a taste of authentic Portugal. Split by the Guilhão River and connected by beautiful bridges, it's peaceful and full of history. Wander quiet back streets, admire tiled facades, and soak in the slow pace of life. Don't miss the Roman Bridge or the views from Tavira Castle. With over 20 churches and elegant mansions, Tavira is a dream for culture seekers. Tavira invites you to slow down and savour every detail. For a magical experience, join a dolphin watching tour on the Atlantic. Spotting dolphins leaping alongside the boat is pure joy for all ages. Most tours follow strict guidelines to protect the animals, making it a meaningful adventure. Book with a company that has a marine biologist guide for fascinating insights. The best season is spring to autumn, with tours departing from Lagos, Albufeira or Vila Moura. Bring your camera and be ready for unforgettable moments. It's a highlight for families and animal lovers. Head inland to Silves Castle, a red sandstone fortress steeped in Moorish history. Walk the well-preserved ramparts for panoramic views over the town, river and orange groves. Explore archaeological sites and the massive underground cistern inside the castle. The contrast of red walls against whitewashed town and green countryside is stunning. Afterward, wander Sylve's narrow streets for a taste of authentic Algarve life. History buffs will love imagining the castle's storied past. Sylvez is a must for anyone fascinated by Portugal's heritage. For a simple yet unforgettable experience, stroll the Carveiro boardwalk at sunset. This wooden walkway hugs the cliffs, offering breathtaking views of the ocean and rock formations. It's accessible for all ages and fitness levels, perfect for families or a romantic evening. Find a bench or viewpoint at Algar Seco and watch the sky transform with colour. After sunset, the boardwalk is beautifully lit for an evening stroll. Head into Carveiro town for dinner to end your day. It's a free, magical Algarve moment. Next, visit Sagres and Cape St. Vincent, the most southwesterly point of mainland Europe. The towering cliffs and wild Atlantic views make it feel like the edge of the world. Explore the historic Sagres fortress, linked to Prince Henry the Navigator. Watch fishermen on the cliffs and spot migrating birds. The Cape St. Vincent Lighthouse stands as a sentinel against the elements. Arrive in the late afternoon and stay for the legendary sunset over the endless ocean. Bring a jacket, it gets windy. This spot is pure adventure and awe. Discover a different side of the Algarve in Ria Formosa Natural Park. A maze of lagoons, marshes and barrier islands. It's a haven for birdwatchers with flamingos and spoonbills among the highlights. Take a guided boat tour from Faro or Olhão to explore the ever-changing landscape. Learn about traditional clam farming and spot the unique Portuguese water dog. Many tours stop at car-free islands like Culatra or Armona for pristine beaches. The park is peaceful, beautiful and teeming with wildlife. It's a must for nature lovers. Olhão is the Algarve's seafood capital, a gritty, authentic fishing port bursting with flavour. Visit the famous fish market for an incredible variety of fresh catch. Afterward, head to a waterfront restaurant and order the catch of the day, grilled to perfection. The town's Moorish-influenced streets add to its unique charm. This is a non-negotiable stop for foodies. Every bite connects you to the sea and local culture. Olhão is a true culinary adventure. Take a break from the coast and head to Lagoa's rolling hills for wine tasting. The Algarve's sunny climate produces some surprisingly delicious wines. Visit a local vineyard for a tour and tasting, often paired with regional cheeses and olive oil. Hear passionate stories from winemakers and learn what makes Algarve wines unique. Book ahead, especially in high season, for an intimate experience. The vineyards are beautiful and welcoming. It's a relaxing, tasty way to experience Algarve culture. Albufeira is the Algarve's nightlife capital, buzzing with energy after dark. Choose between the neon-lit strip for all-night parties or the old town for lively bars and live music. The atmosphere is electric, with people from around the world coming together to celebrate. Start with drinks in the old town, then head to the strip if you're up for dancing until dawn. It's loud, fun and unforgettable for partygoers and the young at heart. Albufeira's nightlife is legendary for a reason. Come ready to make memories. For outdoor lovers, hike the Seven Hanging Valleys Trail, one of Europe's most stunning coastal walks. The 6-kilometre trail runs from Praia da Marinha to Praia de Valle Sentianes, following dramatic cliff tops. Every viewpoint reveals hidden beaches, sea stacks and natural arches. Start early to avoid heat and crowds and bring water and snacks. Look for the Benargil Caves Oculus along the way. The hike is moderately challenging, but absolutely worth it for the views. It's the perfect grand finale to your Algarve adventure. That's a wrap on the 15 best things to do in the Algarve. From sea caves and cliff hikes to charming towns and fresh seafood, this region has it all. I hope this guide inspires your own Algarve adventure. There's something here for every traveller. Which experience are you adding to your bucket list? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more epic travel guides. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next adventure.